Moving costs from one year to another is driven by the changes to the asset life expectancy. You can amend the life expectancy by one of three methods. 1. Changing the life expectancy in the Amend LE column. 2. Double-clicking in the cell you want the value to move. 3. Spreading the replacement cost over several years. See Spreading costs. This video will concentrate on methods 1 and 2 only. As replacement cost values move between years, you can monitor the movement in the totals bar. You can see the total replacement cost for 2018 is at £417,700. After the next sequence, this value will change. Method 1. Changing the life expectancy in the Amend LE column. In this sequence we will amend several life expectancy values. Please watch the values move from the current year, 2018, as we move through the amendments. Amending the life expectancy years has caused 5 changes to take place. 1. All of the relevant replacement costs have been rescheduled into the respective years. 2. Inflationary costs have also been added. 3. Warning and risk alerts have been triggered. Note the cell colors have changed to amber for warning and red for risk. 4. The amendments you've made have been highlighted. Note the cell colors have changed to green. 5. You can see the total replacement cost for 2018 has been reduced by £8,000, from £417,700 to £409,700. Resetting the years back to their original state can be done individually or by multiple selection. Position the cursor anywhere on the row or rows of the schedules you want to reset and then click the reset icon. All year values have been reset back to their original replacement cost values. Please note, inflationary values have also been removed. Rescheduling multiple assets is achieved by amending one asset and then dragging the amendment to the remaining assets. Assets amended in this way must be in a continuous selection. To reset, simply click on the reset icon. Method 2. Double-clicking into the cell you want the value to move. Another method of rescheduling is to double-click into the year you wish the replacement cost to be placed. In the next sequence you will see several asset values being rescheduled. This method does not work with multiple selection.